Hindi talaga tayo mauubusan ng matututunan hanggat handa tayong matuto. Kaya ready na ba kayo? Ako po si Marlo at ito ang Knowledge on the Go! At ang ating on-the-go player for today ay si
Madelyn po.
Madelyn. Mukhang ready si Madelyn ha. Ano ang favorite subject mo?
AP po.
AP, Araling Panlipunan. Okay, roll mo na ang ating dice. Science! For sure makukuha mo to. Kaya bumunot ka na ng iyong question. Okay. Madelyn, go ka na bang mag-knowledge on the go?
Go na!
At dahil go ka na, ito ang katanungan ko para sa'yo. It refers to a type of rock formed within the earth from the cooling and solidification of magma. Letter A, sedimentary rock. B, metamorphic rock. Or letter C, igneous rock.
A.
Letter A, sedimentary rock. Ang tamang sagot ay letter C. Okay lang yan. Alam mo ba, Madelyn, igneous rocks have two types, intrusive and extrusive. Intrusive igneous rocks are formed when the magma cools off slowly under the Earth's crust and hardens into rocks. Extrusive igneous rocks are formed when molten magma spill over to the surface as a result of volcanic eruption. Kahit di mo nakuha ang tamang sagot, it's okay. Dahil meron ka pa ding prize mula sa Knowledge on the Go! Congratulations! Super sarap at super saya na meron tayong bagong natutunan dahil may i-apply din natin to sa ating pang-araw-araw na buhay. Kaya samahan niyo ulit ako next time. Ako po si Marlo at ito ang Knowledge on the Go!